Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make a basic chain stitch, the foundation of many crochet projects. So let's get right into the video. To start, make a slip knot. If you're not familiar with how to make a slip knot, don't worry, I have a video where I demonstrate 2 different methods for making a slip knot. You can check that out first before continuing with this tutorial. Now, take your hook and yarn over. Next, pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. To continue, yarn over again and pull through the loop on your hook. So you repeat this pattern for as many chains as your project requires. Remember to keep yarning over and pulling through the loop on your hook. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.